Hello everyone, I'm Eric, the International Brand Officer of Eastful Group. Welcome to the co-production base of Eastful Group in Jiangyin District, Chongqing. Today, I'm thrilled to give you an inside look at a leading high-tech cable manufacturer from China. Let me show you the production strength of Eastful Group. This is Eastful Group's 50,000 square meters cable manufacturing workshop equipped with 113 production lines covering all cable manufacturing processes. The maximum daily output reaches 5 million meters. This is Eastful's irradiation building, which features 4 imported electron accelerators. These include 2 American high-frequency, high-voltage dynamitron electron accelerators and 2 Russian CELV electron accelerators. The fully automated 4-in, 4-out winding and unwinding system supports a maximum speed of 400 meters per minute. Comprehensive irradiation can completely transform the molecular structure of the insulation layer, significantly enhancing cable performance. Here is our cable storage area, which maintains a large stock of ready-to-ship products all year round. Our logistics and transportation services ensures the timely delivery of goods. Eastful Group specializes in the production of cables and wires with 28 years of proven expertise you can trust. Every single client that we have collaborated with has expressed great satisfaction